That's who said you were cute. He's always got the nicest compliments.
He's right. All right. My question: after December core update, GearHungry and CarBibles sites got hit pretty hard. What do you think? What's the future of affiliate marketing?
Let's pull up these sites.
So I know those are big sites, and especially GearHungry, I've seen a lot of stuff about. Yeah, we can go ahead and pull them up. Let me pop in the Ahrefs real quick. Probably should have had this set up before. GearHungry. Yeah, I think GearHungry was like one of the biggest, like hardest hit sites that people are really kind of paying attention to because it was there's such a big deal for affiliate marketers. Yeah, got about 7K referring domains. You can see DR70. It's a very authoritative site. And wow.
Nasty.
Looks like they've kind of been
Consistently dropping.
went down for a while. But yeah, that last one, I mean, that's 1 million traffic down to, wow. They are really
5K.
bleeding out.
Yeah, that's
I mean, a lot
harsh.
of people would be happy with 5K traffic.
Yeah, if you're starting out. I think once you hit just under 2 million and you get there, I mean, the sad thing is you look at this and depending on how this business is run, you're probably talking about heavy hits that take out employees and growth, etc.
The thing is this is such a big it's such a big site that I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to like properly
Well,
analyze it.
okay, so let's see what we got here.
Got about 5,000 URLs indexed. Let me see.
Do they have like a lot of, yeah.
Right
Yeah,
now,
so they're
first
doing
I'm noticing
yeah.
it's all best. Oh
Mhm.
my. Look at all these best pages.
So we know on the last algo update, review sites that went heavy with
Oh my God.
obvious review
It's all
situations, best. Reviews, lots of that type of stuff stuffed into URLs and other places.
So without even looking too far into it, this is one of the first things I looked at because it was something that a lot of affiliate sites were having problem with,
Yeah.
and it's using these best keywords. So the idea behind this change, that's theorized at least, is that Google wants to reward sites that are doing something other than affiliate articles, like websites that are actually providing more value to users than just chucking like affiliate links to make some money, right? And so we didn't look. I only looked at the first like 4 pages here on Ahrefs, but that's 200 URLs so far that we've looked at, and it's been, I'd guess, about 96% best articles.
Yeah.
And so one way that we're advising people to do about this is, as far as your site goes, try to have about half or less of your articles being just best articles, right? And the other half of your articles would be purely informational, right? These are articles designed to inform or help readers about something without selling to them. And yeah, you can like link to your money pages, your money articles from them. But yeah, it just seems like Google wants to reward sites that are, actually trying to help people other than just make affiliate commissions.
Mm-hmm. Another thing that we've noticed is that, you don't have to go after a specific best of top rated search. You can target those SERPs by keeping your URL structure a lot broader. So instead of best keyboards, it's just, your keyboard section. And then you can funnel in more best top type synonyms using title tags, content, etc. But yeah, at the very least, I know, yeah, extreme anchors. And then let's check out the backlinks.
Like
so, I mean, it's not going to be just one thing, I bet. It's just
we
obvious affiliate sites got hit.
We like seeing the URL anchor and the 2 branded at the top, but then you're looking at them and it's like, we're talking about 9% of their backlinks, or sorry, 11% of their backlinks right here at the top are what like look more natural. Then you start getting to this like spammy kind of looking stuff.
Yeah, I bet it from Web 2.0's heavy. Check it out.
Like, if this was a site that we were getting into our MLB program, I wouldn't even look at it longer. I'd be like, your anchors are spammy. You need more natural stuff. So of course you could go into this stuff a lot deeper, but for the sake of time.
Well, here, open one of these up using details.
One of these ones?
Yeah. I just bet it's Web 2.0. Yep.
It's the Blogspot.
Always fucking Web
image
2.0.
links. The Blogspot image links.
Yeah, they, and this doesn't necessarily mean it's going to hurt you. It's just that if you go through this link profile, I bet you the majority of it isn't high quality stuff. This resonates to me as just like a very fucking blatantly obvious affiliate site. A crawler could read it and be like, this thing's trying to make money,
without providing other value.
That's it completely.
But yeah, just real quick before you go on, about these Blogspot Web 2.0s that are coming in, the image links, this is happening to a lot of sites. It's not, I'm sure probably at least half of you that are watching this, it's probably happening to your site as well. Just to look at it again real quick for you. You just start getting these, and they're always relevant, but they're Blogspot subdomains, and they're linking to you through images.
Pretty sure it's a Fiverr gig.
But they are everywhere.
Yeah.
We're getting hit by it. We have a site in MLB that's getting hit by it that I just posted in the group where actually we're doing really well.
Yeah.
We just kept moving forward with quality links, right? Mm-hmm. We didn't disavow or anything. Joseph in the groups that, he's getting hit by the same thing. Everybody's getting hit by this crap. But yeah, so this isn't, analyzing anchors is a little bit hard in Ahrefs because like this kind of stuff, I would kind of just want to take it out and review the quality links that they've done. So it would take some time to actually like clean it up to really get a good idea what's going on.
Mm-hmm. You want to check out?
Same with backlinks too, but they've just got so many links. It's going to be so hard to do this.
And just at a glance, I'm going to say there's a lot of, there's probably some good stuff in there. I just saw Popular Mechanics, but overall, I'm willing to bet that, a huge percentage of their links are not high quality links. I'm seeing coupon codes, press release.
Links, though.
Yeah.
They probably accumulated a ton of spam.
Let's go ahead and jump into CarBibles and see if they don't follow a similar suit.
Is there anything else we want to look at this? It would take way too long to analyze the backlinks.
Yeah, I think we've given people a good picture of where you'd start looking. You can literally spend as much time as you want on big sites like this, but based on the criteria we just went over, I think we pretty much hit the main issues as of the December update and then the previous update, which hit it too. But yeah, overall, it's literally just an obvious affiliate site.
I didn't even really look at the site. Wonder what they're doing. Wonder what they've changed so far.
It looks nice. How's it read? Yeah, overall, it looks like it's a pretty well done site.
But just think of every URL on the site
being best.
Just like this. Mm-hmm. Just gets right into the affiliate link.
At the very least, they could switch up their permalinks from best and, switch in some synonyms or maybe eliminate them altogether and then kind of see how that ends up resonating. But you'd have to do a lot of 301ing and a lot of cleaning up. Big old messaloni. Bigger your site gets, the more you realize you want to focus on less projects rather than having a lot of them. Especially, when there's an algo shift, you're probably going to have to be ready to work if you see a negative aspect to what happened.
Yeah, so hard to really analyze it too deep as far as like the off-page links and anchors go because they just have so many links, but definitely don't like seeing the best. That's something you can fix, but obviously it takes time and effort and or money to create a bunch of content. What was the other one to look at?
CarBible.
CarBibles. Let's see. Again, high DR, again, a ton of backlinks. Let's see what they dropped to. Jesus. Pretty much the same situation, right? Let's go ahead and look at, let's do a little site search. So they've got about 2,500 URLs on their site. And just to do a quick look at it,
Well, that looks like an informational post.
it doesn't really look like an affiliate, but maybe they're
Yeah, maybe they're doing a little mixing in.
maybe they're actually making corrections already. It's been a while since this updates happened. It's very possible that they've started adding. I don't really know much about CarBibles.
Me either. Let's go through the Ahrefs stuff.
Just look at top pages real quick.
Seeing some best. Yeah.
Again, look at all the best.
I mean, like, it's so weird
It's
to
not
think
quite
that
as
this is
bad.
like one of the main issues we're seeing with affiliate sites that have been coming to us since December is that, you know, the best and the reviews situation in the URLs
I
are
would
just
still
being
say it's
overused.
above
Yeah,
50%.
well, too many.
It's not quite as bad as the other site was, GearHungry. But then it looks like the rest of them like review. So these are going to be affiliate articles as well, right?
Yeah, with limited variation to what is being discussed. It's reviews and best.
Yeah, I would go out on a limb here without spending too much time in it and say the large majority of these are going to be have affiliate links in them.
Mm-hmm. Let's check out the anchors. The anchors looked better at a glance.
Yeah, I see a bunch of URL stuff here.
Granted, they also have 9,000. But see, then they're going to be in the same boat. Bunch of Web 2.0 stuff, I bet.
But yeah, I mean, right off the bat, though, we're seeing a lot more. You can pretty much discount this crap probably. Well, maybe this is
for
the
the
Web
most
2.0
part,
stuff.
whatever. No, I'm talking about these.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, I mean, I bet those are all,
Yeah,
the same things. So, you're looking at two sites that operate very similarly. They're obvious review sites. They go after best review, etc. And then they use the same, type of backlinks to try and rank. And so in the past, they probably had great success with this because you could use spammier link profiles, which, I was corrected maybe like 2 months ago by somebody in a different group where I was like, I wish you could still spam. And now I'm realizing that since December, you can get away with some spammier backlinking tactics. I mean, like, I'm seeing a lot of negative SEO turning into money SEO, which is kind of funny. It is what it is. Now, mind you, that's not a habit you want to get into, and it's not something that it's like a wave comes,
we're not
right?
Doing the spamming. We're not doing the spamming.
You ride the wave, right? Here it comes. But then at some point the wave crashes, and you got to hop on something else. When the algo shifts again, my guess is the next one will be going away from spam being as effective as it is currently.
Yeah,
that's just a hypothesis.
But yeah, to answer the second part of your question, what do you think about the future of affiliate marketing? It's definitely under attack in a way. We've had some there's just been, with Amazon lowering their rates, with Google's most recent update, there's been definite, targeted attacks on the affiliate industry itself. But overall, I think I'm still pretty positive about it for now. I feel like I was just having this conversation in another group, but if you keep up with Google's basic overall trends, which are towards seems to be towards higher authority, which of course no one likes because this means more links. You either have to buy them or you have to build them yourself. Figure out how to do outreach, maybe hire some VAs. But everything seems to be trending towards more authority, which means there's a higher barrier for entry for online business. Second thing is, I just kind of brain farted. So authority, naturalness, everything is trending towards being more natural. So if you're not doing stuff like diversification, or if you're still like over optimizing your on page or doing entire websites full of best articles, like these things are not natural. These are not natural things that look like a normal, healthy website. They look clearly manipulative. They look clearly like they're making money and they're cutting all the corners to make as much money as they can without providing the user, which is Google's,
ultimate goal.
It's actually their product.
Yeah.
But, they want the user to have a good experience on Google. So if your website is just designed to sell, not actually help, you're going to have a bad time. And if you're doing stuff that's manipulative and you're not masking it to make it look natural, you're going to have a bad time. And then, the last thing is, I guess I kind of already started covering it, but, like matching search intent, covering topics fully, and user experience. Authority, basically like search intent, user experience type stuff. And then, making yourself at least appear natural, even though, of course, we're not in the business of building natural websites. We're not.
Well, but I mean, to an extent, we are. Like, we emulate it to a certain degree, right? That's why we have success.
We don't sit back and wait for links to come.
Yeah, no way.
We're aggressive with how
we want to get rich tomorrow.
Yeah, we're very aggressive with how we build sites and do SEO.
I mean, to just simplify what Chris is saying, which is all correct, it's just try not to be so blatantly obvious about the fact you're trying to manipulate rankings for profit. So, if we talk about building a natural website, we start with, the URL slug, etc. There's going to be a lot of diversification on a normal blog. And we're not just talking about backlinks, we're talking about anchors, we're talking about URL structure, we're talking about the content that goes on, the way it's laid out, etc., right? We're not looking for easy cookie cutter recipes. This used to work, but it doesn't work anymore because now Google's got enough data on this stuff to just call it out as, bullshit. You're trying to game the system. So be less obvious with methods, and, affiliate marketing lives on. The ability to use a link to get a profit or a percentage profit margin off it is not going anywhere. Just diversify how you're attacking it. Can we do...
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for links to our blog for more info on this topic, along with a bunch of other cool stuff like case studies, our Facebook community, and our link building services. And like always, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell if you enjoyed the video. Thanks and happy ranking.